Welcome to our video on 5 bizarre haircuts you've never seen before. Are you tired of the same old boring haircuts? Do you want to stand out from the crowd and make a statement? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the craziest and most unique haircuts from around the world. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. The first we have the poodle haircut. This haircut is inspired by the famous French poodle dog breed. The hair is styled to look like a poodle's fluffy fur, complete with shaved legs and a poofy top. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. Next on our list is the dragon haircut. This one is perfect for fans of Game of Thrones or anyone who loves dragons. The hair is styled to look like a dragon's head, complete with scales and horns. It's definitely a showstopper. Our fifth bizarre haircut is the mushroom haircut. This one is inspired by the cute and quirky mushrooms you find in the forest. The hair is styled to look like a mushroom cap, complete with a stem and spots. Next up, we have the graffiti haircut. This one is perfect for those who love street art and bold colors. The hair is styled to look like a graffiti mural, complete with bright colors and intricate designs. Next on our list is the rainbow haircut. This one is perfect for those who love bright colors and bold statements. The hair is styled to look like a rainbow, complete with all the colors of the rainbow. Well, that's it for our video on 5 bizarre haircuts you've never seen before. Which one was your favorite? Would you ever